Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make over one of the unfinished Dollar Tree pumpkins. So I grabbed one of those unfinished pumpkins from Dollar Tree, some scrapbook paper from Hobby Lobby, which I love. This thankful sign came from Hobby Lobby, a piece of ribbon that I tied in a knot and that was distressed, some button ribbon, and some pumpkin and leaf wood cutouts from Hobby Lobby also. So the first thing I'm going to do is paint this pumpkin with like an off-white color, and all I did was go up to my paints with my scrapbook paper and kind of lined it up till I found a color that was matching to the off-white color that was on the scrapbook paper. So once I painted that whole pumpkin, I'm going to take some burnt umber and do the stem of the pumpkin. Once the pumpkin was all painted, I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to take and paint my thankful cutout with a dark burgundy color. Then I'm going to take and paint one of the leaves with like a golden yellow color, and the other one I'm going to paint with an orange. And again, I just took my scrapbook paper and pulled colors from that. So I just went up to where all my paints were, and I found the yellow color that matched what was in the scrapbook paper. I found an orange, and also with the burgundy. I wanted to keep the color palette like all the same of what was in the scrapbook paper. And I think that they all turned out really cute because they do match very well. So I have a yellow leaf, an orange leaf, and then my burgundy thankful. So once I had those all painted, I'm going to set those aside. And then I'm going to take the scrapbook paper and I'm going to cut it out for halfway up the pumpkin. So I'm just going to lay it on the pumpkin, and then I'm going to trace it out, but I'm only going to do half the pumpkin. So once I had it all cut out, I'm going to lay it on the bottom half of the pumpkin. I'm just going to Mod Podge it right onto that. So just add a good layer of Mod Podge right on the bottom half of the pumpkin, and then lay the paper on and just smooth it out with my hands. Once I had the paper laid on there and it was pretty dry, I took that button ribbon that I had, and I got this at Hobby Lobby, and I just love this ribbon. It's all like wooden buttons. It's just the cutest thing ever. I'm going to lay that right on top of the scrapbook paper and some a little over on the painted part of the pumpkin. I'm going to run a bead of hot glue down, and then I'm just going to lay that right on there, right across the top of that paper, and kind of give like a difference from the top to the bottom. And I think this just looks so, so cute. This is like almost like a shabby chic style pumpkin, I guess we'll call it. Next, I'm going to take that thankful sign and I'm going to hot glue that right to the top of the pumpkin, right in the center. So I'm just going to add some hot glue to the back of that, lay that down right in the middle, make sure that it's centered, and then press it down. And as you can see, like now that that's laid next to the scrapbook paper, how well that color matches with the scrapbook paper, and like it's pulling out that burgundy color. Next, I'm going to take one of my leaves that I painted yellow and then the other orange one, and I'm going to put those on either side of the thankful. Next, I'm going to take that ribbon bow that I made, and I'm going to just hot glue that right to the top, right underneath the stem. And then this project is finished. How super cute and easy was this? It turned out amazing. I absolutely love the colors in this project, and the pictures just really don't do it justice. I tried to get like a real true to color picture, and I just couldn't get one to show just how pretty this pumpkin really turned out. I think it's really different. It's very unique. I absolutely love it. I hope you enjoyed this project. I hope it inspires you to make one, and thank you for watching. As always, don't forget to spread the chaos.